Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. So we're going to do a room tour.
We're at the Gaylord Palms. We're in the St. Augustine section.
Yep.
And it is the 4th floor, room 4137.
And it is a king atrium view.
Yes.
Which I think we got a complimentary upgrade because we booked a king room Florida view, which would be a view of the outside.
Yes. So we got an atrium view, which is a slightly better view, which we'll show you here in just a moment.
Yes. And we used points. So this was free. We did have to pay for resort parking, which is $40 a night, but we upgraded to valet for $52 a night. And there's a resort fee of, I think, $30 or $50 a night, and we're here for 3 nights.
Yes, something like that.
So I think it's going to come out to like $300, $350 or so.
I think 300.
I
don't even think it's going to be 300.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
So, okay.
So you walk in, and to the right, you have your nice big closet with lots of room for extra luggage, ironing board, iron, laundry bag if you want to partake in the services. I do like how the light turns on. Oh, not on this side. Okay, this side you've got your safe, ice bucket, some glasses, some nice drawer space.
I've already unpacked. I like down at the bottom,
For
you have
the
a
shoes?
spot for your shoes.
Yeah, I like that too.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Okay. Ooh. Then we've got your section with your coffee maker,
Should be a light here. There you go.
your coffees, your creamers, cups, stirs. And then you open this up and you've got your small
Little
fridge,
fridge.
which is fine.
Yep.
And if you turn around, you've got your full bathroom. Well, first of all, look at it. You can check your fit, your OOTD, your UTD, as Joe and I like to say.
Yep.
I think I just got my fingerprints all over it. All right, so it's a split bathroom. I will say I wish the toilet was on this side so someone could shower and go to the bathroom at the same time. But it is what it is. It's okay. Toilet, garbage can, nice big shower.
Yeah,
with,
it's a good size shower.
let's see, you've got shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no complaints. We did ask for extra towels, and I believe those are maybe extra ones because we also have towels down there. Double sink, nice big mirror. I think this will be very comfortable.
Yeah, this is fine.
Yeah. And I like how this is all tiled. I wish this was tiled as well. We don't really like carpeting in the rooms, and we did notice that it was not vacuumed very well. So
Yeah, I did see some crumbs on the floor, which was a little disappointing considering it's Marriott, but
yeah.
it does look really otherwise clean.
Yeah. And thermostat does go down to 66, so that's points. Because,
Oh, you went down to 66 already?
Yes, I'm so hot. So you've got your 2 nightstands, lamps, plugs are on the inside of the nightstands for all your devices.
Oh, that's a good spot for
Yeah.
them.
Nice king bed, a little chair, a nice couch with extra drawer space. That's really nice too.
Oh, yeah.
This does not turn into a sleeper or anything.
No, because you've got drawers. The furniture is nice. I mean, I like the color scheme. It's just kind of
So you got a desk, you've got more
elegant,
plugs.
light colors.
Yeah, so then the piece de resistance is when you open.
Here's the chair she mentioned before. And then, yes, the view, the view, the view, the view.
Woo! Oh, it's so pretty.
So this is the Gaylord Palms Atrium. We did a full video of this resort a year and a half ago.
And we stayed over there.
We stayed, yes. So our room was up there. It was, I think, the 7th floor, kind of right where...
The bell tower thing?
Yeah, so there's this bell tower right there. We were just to the right of it, or were we to the left of it?
We were to the left.
We were to the left of it, yeah, that's right. So we're kind of like right there, because that elevator's right there in that corner, and we were just right there between the elevator and that bell tower. But you could see the way the view is. This is going to be a nice view of the Atrium show. They do a show every night, a light show up here in the Atrium. This is going to be a great view of it.
Yeah.
You've got the Christmas tree right there.
Yeah, this is pretty.
Yeah, it's very, very nice. There are a lot of water features. just the whole decor of everything. Really very nice. To the left this is considered the St. Augustine or Florida section, St. Augustine, Florida section.
And see the boat out there? That's actually a seafood restaurant.
Yes. So, very cool.
Yeah, and it's all decorated for Christmas. I can't wait to walk around. We will do a full, like, Atrium tour. We probably won't do the lobby, because if you want to see all that, we do have another video, and Joe can link that in the description below.
Yes. Or definitely the playlist that I have, because we did a lot of videos back then. So, there are a couple of chairs that we have here.
Yeah, I mean, it's a small balcony, but it's perfect if you want to sit out here and drink your coffee, have a cocktail, to watch the Atrium show, which I believe is every night.
Yeah, I think 9 p.m.
Yeah. And I'm wondering, I'm sure it's done Christmassy.
Yes, I believe it is.
But we'll find that out later.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Not bad. Very happy that we are upgraded. We were secretly hoping for an upgraded Atrium view this trip again, because we so enjoyed it last time.
Yeah, we did. This is very cool. Again,
so if you're looking for a hotel not in the Disney bubble, the Gaylord Palms is absolutely a great choice. We had such a good stay back here in July of 2024, and I'm so grateful we got to come back.
Yes, exactly.
It's beautiful.
It's very nice.
Yeah.
And here is the room from the balcony. And once that door is closed,
you don't hear anything.
You don't hear anything. Very, very nice. I like it. Oh, there's a ceiling fan too. Didn't show that. But overall, as hotel rooms go, not too bad.
Okay, so I think we're going to wrap this vlog up. This was our travel day and Gaylord Palms room tour. We do have dinner plans tonight, so that will be the next video, I would assume, in the series.
Probably.
We may put out some of the time relevant stuff, like the Christmas stuff, out first, possibly.
I think so.
And we are still posting from our Disneyland trip in September. So
yeah, we're getting close to the end of those.
Yeah, it's going to be a cluster for a while, so we hope that you'll stick with us. Thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because it really helps our channel when you press that, when you hit the like button and you ask for the notifications when we publish. It really helps our algorithm. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
You change that up a little bit.
It's okay.
It's okay. All right. Bye. Good morning, Jennifer, again.
Okay, so we wanted to pop back in here and do an update on our room tour and our feelings about staying at the Gaylord Palms.
Yes.
So, when we stayed here in July of 24,
a year and a half ago,
we had a 1-bedroom suite with an atrium view.
Yep.
And
right up there.
The bed was so comfortable and the pillows were plush. Well, that was not our experience last night. So I requested feather pillows and a mattress topper. They already brought over the feather pillows like within literally 5 minutes of me calling. They had to check on the mattress topper, so I don't think that's going to happen. But the bed is, if you like a harder mattress, you'll be happy. If you don't, and maybe would not stay here.
Yeah.
And then the carpeting is filthy.
Yeah, it's kind of dirty.
It is disgusting. We keep stepping on crumbs, and you can see large crumbs all over the floor that we did not notice until we started stepping on them last night. So I did call and ask when they clean our room today to
just make sure to vacuum.
Yeah. So we'll update and see if they actually do that.
That's one of the reasons why I just don't like carpeting in hotels.
It's gross.
I mean, Disney redid all of their rooms, and it's all regular flooring, hardwood or whatever you want to call it, flooring.
Wood.
Yeah. And it just makes a huge, huge difference. It really does all the way around. Yeah. You know, because in a way, you're forced to clean it. If there's anything on that floor, you're going to see it. On the carpeting, it's harder. And so, yeah, anyway.
So that was a real turn off.
The bed wasn't as comfortable. And, you know, just full disclosure, last night was not the most responsible of evenings. We will discuss that a little later today. But not the most responsible of evenings. So you might think, yeah, we might not sleep as well, but no, it had nothing to do with the mattress and the pillows and blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, and then the cleanliness of the floor.
I
wouldn't say we were irresponsible. I would say that we had a lot of fun.
Yeah, well, we were with Steve and Ariane last night, so
Which was another surprise, and we'll get into that in the next video too.
if you know us, you know what that kind of led to. Anyway, so the pluses for the room, definitely, I love the shower. I think that shower...
But the water
smells.
smells.
You said, yeah, you
the
said
water smells like ammonia.
I see. I don't get it, but my sinuses are so whacked from being up in the cold, and we turned the heat on, and my sinuses have been bad, and they haven't recovered yet for being down here in the nice, moist, humid Florida. But yeah, I don't smell it. I don't. Other than the regular Florida water smell, I don't get anything extra.
Worse.
So you don't like the water, you don't like the bed, you don't like the pillows, and the carpeting is dirty.
But I'm gonna say, I would definitely stay here again for this view.
Yes.
I mean, I don't know if Joe can just pan it really
let me do
fast.
that really quick.
It is just beautiful. Actually, we'll come back and we'll also show you at night. It is just magical.
I mean, this is the view from our room.
I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like little, what do you call the bags of sand with the candles in them?
Bags of sand with candles?
No, it's got a name. But those are all over the place, and there's twinkle lights and Christmas trees. It's just charming.
Yeah, and I think
Very
they have
beautiful.
a scavenger hunt for the theme for ice this year here is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So I think they have a scavenger hunt of different...
To find the unwanted toys.
Yes, yeah. So there are little cutouts and
Super cute.
Call them cutouts, pictures of the different unwanted toys. So
you can see one right from our room.
Yeah.
There's the little blue airplane. The Misfit toys. They're not unwanted toys. The Misfit toys.
It's right above the reef, right there.
We're on the island of Misfit toys. Yeah. So
I mean, overall, still, we do like this place.
Yeah.
It just there are a couple.
it was
little,
kind of disappointing.
Yeah, little surprises with this, and then of course this morning, again last night.
We're gonna do
we were
another
having
etiquette video.
Fun. So this morning we weren't in the mood for listening to the screaming kid next door.
And slamming of the doors.
I'm not talking about. No, I'm talking about for 45 minutes.
Yeah.
45 minutes. I think it was in the room.
I think
right
it's the
next
room
door.
next to us.
Yeah. I was so close to knocking on the door saying, "Can you please put a muzzle on it?" Anyway, I didn't though. So I mean, can you say, "Oh, it's Disney"? No, we're not in Disney. Anyway.
No, it's just that parents, I think people forget their manners when they come to Disney World.
Well,
people lose, I think people, you're paying so much money to come to Orlando to do what you're going to do, and it's so expensive now, more expensive than it's ever been. And I think there's a certain sense of entitlement that people may have now.
I think it's the Disney bubble effect.
Mm-hmm.
We're Disney bubble adjacent, so I think the Disney bubble effect has spread to the Gaylord Palms. Yeah, okay. All right, well, let's wrap this up now, finally. We already did the outro, so goodbye.
Bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, yada yada.
Do all the things. Help us out.
And we'll talk to you
Help us
later.
out. We're fun. If you don't like us, you can unsubscribe.
No,
we
don't
hope
do
you
that.
won't.
No,
but,
don't do that.
I mean, you got the option, so why
Yeah,
not do
I
it?
guess.
It's free.
It's what, to unsubscribe?
It's free to subscribe.
Oh, yes, that's right.
It's
Yeah,
free
you're
to
right.
hit that notification bell so you find out when we're publishing our videos.
Yeah, at this
It's
point, I don't even know when we're
free.
publishing our videos. I'm so confused. Okay, let's go. I'm hungry. We gotta go
Bye.
eat. Bye.